Daniel 9 verse 10. We have not obeyed the Lord our God, or kept the laws he gave us through his servants the prophets. On the 31st of December, during the crossover service at Royal Priesthood Solution Ministries, Prophet Joshua Zulu gave a direct prophetic word concerning the current Russian-Ukrainian crisis. These were his exact words.
I saw Russia launching an attack invasion to a place called Ukraine simultaneously, and there's going to be a coup attempt in the place called Ukraine. Nation of Ukraine, which is a coup attempt. Amen and amen. Hallelujah. If God is taking our prophet internationally, he's also taking your business internationally. Hallelujah. I saw Russia starting controlling Ukraine.
Notice how he specifies the control of Russia over Ukraine, which is already taking place and being broadcasted in different world news channels today.
Starting controlling Ukraine. Starting controlling Ukraine. I also saw China controlling Taiwan, South Africa.